Just hooked into a fish here. Not sure what kind of fish. It looks like a smallmouth bass. No, it's a largemouth bass, and he's not hooked very well either. That's a largemouth bass right there. Well, did you look at that? A little largemouth bass right here. Well, that's cool. Alright, so this bass is about 13.5 inches long. Nice little fish. There's the release. And there he's swimming away pretty slowly. The largemouth bass, not very active this time of year. So, well, that was a nice treat. That's the latest I've ever caught a largemouth bass. Oh, I think we have a fish here. Yep, that's definitely a fish. Definitely a fish here. Fish on. I'm not sure what kind it is yet. Oh, that one is a pike. That is a Northern Pike right there. Now we're not keeping him today. He's barely hooked. There's a good look at him. Not a very big pike. Full of teeth though. Alright, we're going to put him back in. There's the release. There he goes. Very nice and easy. He's not swimming away fast at all, actually. Very nice.